taking me home. One thing really do.
Alright guys, thanks for being a part of our show.
Say that you're the worst, but I don't know. It's so true.
We're here at the AMA Expo West 2018. The AMA Expo is an expo for not just airplanes and all things aircraft, but they're also including RC cars now, tanks, trains, so just about everything regarding the hobby industry. And EMAX is here this weekend showcasing the brand new EMAX Tinyhawk. We've got a cool LED track out here. We're letting some of the fastest pilots ring out the Tinyhawk and show everybody just what the Tinyhawk is capable of. Taking the win. We are racing on the film. Alright, here we go. For it. And the final game.
So one of the rubber band powered airplanes are stuck up on top of the bench, and they came over and asked for some help. And we're gonna go on a rescue mission right now. We're gonna fly with a Tinyhawk. Tinyhawk rescue mission.
So cool, hidden fence and a hidden plane.
Should be
It was an
following
Easter
him
egg.
all the way
I found an Easter egg is what happened. A Tinyhawk Easter egg. Yeah, dude, that was awesome.
There's been a lot of customers that have never seen what an FPV racing drone is all about, and so they're getting first-hand experience at what FPV is all about in the community. We've got a projector showing exactly what the pilots are seeing as they're flying. The reactions from the customers about the Tinyhawk has just been phenomenal. It's going to be a great product.
Would you allow us to fly this beautiful scenic?
You're gonna have to check with the.
Oh, okay.
coordinator.
Oh, a coordinator, cool. Oh, we're trying to get permission to fly this beautiful freaking, what is this, like California, I think? This is like all of California? Or most of it? Because you got Bay Area, you got NorCal, you can see everything everywhere. But yeah, we're trying to get permission. Trying to get permission to Tinyhawk this place.
No, what you gotta do is you gotta land on a
Oh,
train.
there we go.
Oh, okay. I like a
Game
challenge.
on.
I like a challenge.
Game
All right.
on.
I like his
Yeah, I like it.
Say it's true.